Amanda, as we go over to Brad Lawler, home team inspection, Amanda is selling her home, and the home just went through an inspection. And in this email, she says one of the repair requests, Brad, revolved around the drain in her bathroom as it's slow to drain. And according to the report, she's got to make some sort of fix to it. And she's wondering, off the top of her head, could she use Drano and get rid of the clogged drain? But she listens to our show, and thank you, Amanda, for listening. She says that she thought she remembered you, Brad, saying don't use Drano. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I don't know that Drano is going to help with a backed up drain like that. I mean, I prefer mechanical type systems, so small auger, little there's these little plastic nylon things that will go down, little teeth that grab hair. A lot of times, particularly in bathtub drains, it's just hair that gets clogged up in there. Drano is going to take forever to work through those clogs. So just using a small auger is probably going to be the most effective way to clean that out quickly.
It does a Drano or something like that. Will it hurt
I
the
don't think that it
plastic pipes? No.
I don't think that it actually hurts the pipes, which is one of the reasons why it's a consumer grade product because
Uh,
it's not really strong enough to do damage to the pipes, but it's also not strong enough to actually, remove a clog. So you could try it, but I've never really had any luck with it.
what about plungers? The old fashioned
Well,
plunger?
plungers are hard when you're looking at a drain because you can't get a good seal on them. You could try, but really remember when you're using a plunger, you're actually pulling up. You're not actually trying to push down on it. Just yeah, if you're plunging by pushing hard and trying to ram stuff through, you're doing it backwards. You actually put the suction on, then lift it up to try to release the clog that way.
No
Otherwise, you're
kidding.
just yeah.
That's
Otherwise, you're just making
really.
it. You're packing it tighter and tighter.
I was
Yes,
today years old when I found that out.
Huh.
yes,
Yeah,
yes. So
I didn't know that either. So you push it down slowly, then you
yeah,
pull it
and
up
then you
quickly.
correct. That's right. That's how you properly use a plunger, particularly in a toilet.
Well, now
That's
that of course negates the name, but
yes, it
Yep,
does. Yeah,
yep.
yeah. Well, I don't know what you'd call it though, but okay,
Yeah,
now
but
we get
that's
it.
but
Well,
that's the more effective way of making them work. And I'm sure that someone's going to call in and tell me I've got it all wrong, but
now I had read that
that's
you
the way they
you get
work.
a big bucket of water, say over the toilet, and stand 7 feet up high, and pour that down in there like that.
no,
Okay,
that's
all
going to
right,
splash a
yeah,
lot. I don't
yeah,
see that happening. All right.
Yeah.